everyone, this is Sam Creating the Heart, and I am back with a card share. I wanted to share some projects that I made using some newer products from CC Designs. So this one, which is Wizard of Oz, I have the dies as well. It's the cutest stamp set. She has two different ones. She has this one, and then she also has, like, I think that's like a Roberto's Rascals style, which I don't like as much. It's a little too cartoonish for me. But these little guys I love. So I use this along with this stamp set, which is called, I don't know, it's Lucky Rainbow Sentiments. So I have that. And then this is their slimline die that just came out, I think, last month. That one's really fun. Great for little sets. And then I did use this Over the Rainbow die by Tailored Expressions, which I love. I've been using that quite a bit. So here are my cards. This card right here, I used my brick stencil for my favorite things, along with this. It's metallic gilding polish, which I've been using this color quite a bit. I'd love to find, I might have to buy another sort of yellow gold in a different brand just to try it out. This one's kind of been rang through the ringer. It's called Bright Sunshine, and I have used it quite a bit, so it's getting a lot of use. And I was fine with it being kind of not perfect because I think it really matches sort of a brick wall. And then I used the rainbow die on there, along with the little pieces of the Wizard of Oz guys that I colored with Copics, and then have a rainbow kind of day as my sentiment, along with some cute little plasticky hearts. And I love how that one came out. So with the other one, so it makes these pieces, get these 4 plus this piece. So what I did was I used this other stamp set, which I don't think, did I bring it with me to show you guys? They have this splatter one. Oh, here it is right here. I'm going to show you it. They also have this new paint splatter one, which I thought would be cute, really cute for art journaling as well. But I used that in different colors on each of the squares, and then I popped up each of my little Wizard of Oz guys all colored in. And then for that long strip, I went ahead and I used that same brick die and that same gilding polish to do a little brick kind of background wall. And I put the little doggy there. And my sentiment, you paint the world's beautiful. And I just really love how that came out. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Creating the Heart.